Imagine this. You are a customer who just faced a failed ATM withdrawal of rupees 10,000. The money is gone, but the cash never came out. You call the helpline. You are on hold for 10 minutes. You send an email, there is no reply. Frustrated, you post on LinkedIn tagging the bank. Finally, when the bank calls back, you have to repeat your entire story for the fourth time. This isn't just one person's problem, this is happening at a large scale. Globally, 80% of the bank callings are lost because customers drop off when hold time exceeds 1 minute. For institutions like Union Bank of India, millions of complaints are scattered across channels LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email, apps, all existing in isolated silos. The result delayed resolution, poor customer trust, and heavy regulatory penalties. So, the real problem is not complaints, the real problem is fragmentation. And that's what we are solving. We present Union Samadhan, the platform. We are building the unified customer complaint communication dashboard, a single system of intelligence that aggregates complaints from LinkedIn, WhatsApp, email, and the Union Ease app into one high-speed resolution engine. But aggregation alone is not enough. The real challenge is identity. When a user complains on LinkedIn or WhatsApp, how does the bank know who they really are? Our system resolves this using a multi-layered verification logic. Level 1 is regional intelligence. We check if the complaint location matches existing unresolved issue clusters. For example, repeated ATM failures in a specific branch. Level 2 is identity resolution. Using SQL-based fuzzy matching, we link social handles to actual bank records through email, phone number, and contextual signals. And here's where it gets powerful. We use Flink-based deduplication to detect what we call complaint storms, the same issue being reported across multiple platforms. Instead of treating them separately, we merge them into a single golden ticket. No duplication, no confusion, just one accurate version of the problem. The core of Union Samadhan is an intelligent pipeline. We call it extract, match, resolve. First comes ingestion. We collect data from social media, apps, and communication channels in real time. Second, extraction. Gen AI models analyze the complaint and extract key details, user identity, issue type, location, severity, and even emotional tone. Third comes matching. Identity resolution and deduplication ensure that every complaint is currently mapped and unified. Finally, resolution. This is where intelligence kicks in. AI driven root cause analysis RCA scans internal logs and identifies the actual issue even before the agent reads it. Next best action NBA suggests the optimal resolution, like initiate refund plus waive transaction fee. The system even drafts the response, the agent simply reviews and sends. Coming to the impact and benefits, then impact on stakeholders. For customers, 60% faster resolution and a sense of being heard in their own language. For agents, 35 to 40% reduction in handle time, no more manual data entry. For executive leadership, clear visibility into predictive readdressal. AI identifies a failed transaction and proactively opens a ticket and notifies the user before they even realize the error. Next model, then we offer a tiered subscription model for banks, telecom, and insurance firms. First is starter with a 500 to 1,000 per user cost for small co-ops and early fintechs. Pro, 2,000 to 5,000 per user cost adds Sarima trends and advanced log analytics. Enterprise, 10,000 to 25,000 plus per user cost for majors like UBI, SBI with full API integrations and banking Bhashini packs. For implementation, there is a one-time fee for building the organization-specific identity graph. Our platform doesn't just merge complaints, it builds trust. For Union Bank of India, we are trying